Attendance ഇടാനായ മിസ്സേ.
എന്തോ?
Attendance ഇടാനായോന്ന്.
Yes, yes, mark your attendance. Now all of you mark your attendance. Mark your attendance and all of you take out your textbook and page number, worksheet. Already we completed now. Lesson number 4. My family. Sorry, a happy family.
Yes, miss.
A happy family. Oh, yes, a happy family. Lesson number 4 has done. Turn on your video and please mark your attendance. Okay.
We completed all exercise.
So where is our class leader?
I am here, miss.
Okay, Ishan. Okay. All of you take out your textbook and pencil. Page number. Grammar worksheet is there, no?
Yeah, complete. Yeah, complete.
Nyan complete. Who told that? Who said that?
Yes. No, complete.
No complete. Lesson number 4, a happy family. Already we completed.
Yes.
Grammar worksheet is there. Page number 61. Take fast.
Yes.
Yeah. Say this one. A happy family. Grammar worksheet. Did you see?
Yes.
Okay. Take out. Now we can do that. So take out your textbook, page number 61. 61. See, look here. Grammar worksheet is there. Please start our class. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A happy family. Match the animals with the action. Please, all of you, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic, please. Okay. Match the animals with the actions. See, match the animals. Let's start our class. Are you ready? Those who are joined now, please mark your attendance fast. Those who are joined now, please mark your attendance. Then let's start our class. Are you ready? Samajna, what happened? Like this sitting. Okay. Okay, first one. Match the animals with the action. Butterflies. First one, butterflies. Butterflies. See the answer. Match it. Say.
Flutter.
Flutter. Then second one, ducks. D-U-C-K-S, ducks.
Swim.
Swing. Second one, F, swim. Look here. First one, flutter, G. Second one, that's swim, F. Match it like this. Third one, rabbits. Rabbits, hop, E. Match it, hop, like that, match it. Fourth one, horses, gallop, H. Fifth one, frogs. Frogs, leap, C. Sixth one, snails. Snails, slide, B. Seventh one, birds fly. That you know already. Eighth one, monkey. Monkey swing, D. Butterflies already we done. Flutter. Ducks. Sorry. Ducks swim. Horses gallop. Duck swing. Second one F. Okay. Snails, frogs, C. 5 C. Okay. 6 B. Slide. Birds fly. Monkeys swing. D. Finish?
No, miss.
No?
Yes.
Once again.
Yeah. No, miss.
Any doubt? See like that, match it. Fourth one H, fifth one C, sixth one D.
എന്താ മിസ്സേ?
Eh?
ഫ്ലച്ചർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എന്ത്?
പാറിക്കളിക്കില്ലേ? പാറിക്കളിക്കുന്ന ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈസ് പാറിപ്പറക്കൂലേ? Butterflies. Godwin, are you sleeping? Did you complete? Okay.
Complete, miss.
Okay. Next portion.
Complete.
Complete? Okay. Next, exercise B. Circle the correct words in the bracket. Page number 62. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, miss, I am ready.
Okay.
Yes, miss, I am ready.
Okay. Listen, look here. First one, a bird. A bird means single, no? Squeaks. A bird speaks, nice, chips. Which is correct? Say.
Chips.
Very good. Chips. A bird. CHIRPS. Chips. Second one. A bee. Second one. A bee. A bee. Which is correct? B U Z.
Bird.
buzzes. It's correct. Third one, a duck.
Quack.
A duck.
Quack.
A duck
Quack.
quacks.
Quack.
Q-U-A-C-K-S. Quacks. Fourth one, a sheep. A sheep. Sheep bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S. Bleats. An owl. A-N, an owl. O-W-L. An owl hoots. H-O-O-T-S. Hoots. Hoots. All you know. Moonga. Moongayude moolal shabdam. Hoots. Write it like this. Complete? Did you complete? See?
Incomplete.
Then next C.
Next complete.
Okay, next we can start C. Option exercise C we can do now. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready.
Amit, first one. A-M-I-T. Amit. Wake or wakes up at 6. Amit is a single noun. Then wake or wakes? Wakes. Wakes because Amit single. Wakes up at 6. Second one, W-E. We brush or brushes. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Brush. Our. O-U-R. Our. Teeth. T-E. Teeth. Toys a day. T-W-I-C-E. Toys a day. Finish?
Finish.
Third one, Ali. Ali means single. Then comb or combs? Combs.
Come.
His hair. Fourth one, Rita. Rita, singular plural. What? Rita single. Wears a yeah. Then wears a ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. Fifth one, they. They singular plural. They.
Plural.
Then go. Go or goes? Go. They means more than one. School on time. They go. Okay. Did you complete this?
Yes.
All of you say. All of you.
Complete.
Okay.
Yes, Miss. Complete.
Okay, good. Complete. No? Next one. Next one we can do that now. Exercise B. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, good. First one.
Yes.
First one. First one, the salad. S-A-L-A-D. Oh, sorry. S-A-L-A-D. The salad. Salad. Taste or tastes? Tastes. T-A-S-T-E-S. Tastes. Good. It's already done now. Second one. Those flowers. Second one. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Oh.
First one, അവരെ എഴുതിയിട്ടില്ല.
Who? In your textbook? In your textbook? Eh? Page number 62. Those flowers. Those flowers. Those one or many. More. Not single. Those flowers.
Many.
Then look or looks. Look. Beautiful. ആരാണ് സ്ക്രീനിൽ കളിക്കുന്നത്? Third one, my cousin. My cousin, single or plural? Single. Only one person, no? My cousin. Then leaves. Leave or leaves? Leaves. My cousin lives in Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I. Fourth one, Rita, single or plural?
Single.
Then buy or buys?
Buy.
Eh?
Buys.
Buys?
Buys.
Buys. And I-C-E, ice cream. Fifth one, Red Riding Hood wears. Riding Hood.
Teacher,
Yes.
excuse me, teacher. ഇന്നലത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇൻഫോം ചെയ്യാതെ അറ്റൻഡ് ആകാതിരുന്ന ഏതെങ്കിലും കുട്ടികളെ ലീവ് ലെറ്റർ ഇല്ലാത്തവരുണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ ലിസ്റ്റ് നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവരെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇരുന്നേക്കാം. ലീവ് ലെറ്റർ കിട്ടാതെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇരുന്നേക്കാം. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. ഞാൻ ലിസ്റ്റ് ഇവിടെ തന്നേക്കാം.
ഓക്കെ.
ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടേ.
ലീവ് ലെറ്റർ എല്ലാരും കൊടുത്തിരുന്നോ? സാറ് വന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ? എല്ലാരും ഇന്നലെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറാത്തവര് ലീവ് ലെറ്റർ കൊടുത്തിരുന്നോ? കുറെ പേരുടെ പേരുണ്ടല്ലോ ഇവിടെ. ഇന്നലെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറാത്തവർ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? ഇന്ന് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ലീവ് ലെറ്റർ കൊടുത്തോ സാറിന്? സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് കൊടുത്തോ? ആൽബർട്ട് ചിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. ആൽബർട്ട് ഇന്നലെ പ്രസന്റ് ആയിരുന്നു തോന്നുന്നു, അല്ലേ ആൽബർട്ട്? ആൽബർട്ട് Yes, okay. Siddharth, okay, Mone, okay. Okay, Red Riding Hood wears. W-E-A-R-S. Okay, complete, finish. Siddharthe, turn on your video, Siddharthe.
Miss 5 and the Miss
5 B, option B. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ah. Next exercise E. Circle the correct words in the bracket. Can you do that? Exercise E. A caterpillar eat or eats leaves. Eats. First one, eats. First one, eats. E-A-T-S. Second one, a camel lives in a desert. A camel. English. First standard. A camel. Live or lives? Say.
Live.
L-I-V-E live or L-I-V-E-S lives. Which one? Which is correct?
Live.
Second option, live or lives.
L-I-V-E-S.
L-I-V-E-S.
E-S.
It's
Live.
correct or
Yes.
which? Lives.
Live.
This-
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
1 minute. Adon Joseph. Circle the correct words in the bracket. A caterpillar eat or eats. Caterpillar is single person. Then eats. Second one, a camel. Camel single. Only one animal. No camel. A camel. Then lives. L-I-V-E-S. Third one, the children. Children one or many?
One.
Children?
Many.
Many. Okay, children many. Child one. Okay, Ishan, did you understand? Okay. The children, then buy or buys? Buy. B-U-Y, buy. Okay,
Buy.
B-U-Y, buy. Okay. Next, Mona. Mona single or plural? Mona one or many?
One. Single.
Then sing or sings?
Sing.
Sings. S-I-N-G-S. Sings. Scooty catch or catches? Scooty one. Then catch the ball. Did you understand?
Catcher.
Yes. Third one, the children buy. B-U-Y. Fourth one, sings. S-I-N-G-S. Fifth one, catches. C-A-T-C-H-E-S. Catches. Okay? Then next one, add ing to make new words. That you can do very easily. Add ing. Exercise F. Add ing. Add ing. Eat, eating. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Add ing. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing plus ing. Then how we will write? Singing. S-I-G. Then add ing. See, like that. Singing. Go. G-O. Go plus ing. Go plus ing. Going. Go, going. That you can do. Okay. It's very easy, no? Add ing form. Add ing to make new words. That you can do yourself. It's full homework. Dream, dreaming, paint, painting, cook, cooking, camp, camping, sleep, sleeping, pick, picking, like that. Then look at the pictures, filling the blanks with the words from the box. First one, Rida is, what Rida is doing? What she is doing? See, skipping. Exercise G. That's it's homework. It's homework. Rida is skipping. Joss is kicking the ball. Third one, Zuman is